Radost here. Hope you all are really well. So, as you can tell from the title, I was inspired by Studio Ghibli lately. Well, I watched Howl's moving castle for the millionth time and decided to make my own version of Howl, to draw him my style. I made a pencil sketch first, as always, and started to color it with my new favorite brush number 2. As you can tell, I always start from the eyes. When I was a teenager, they were my favorite thing to draw. For Howl's eyes, I chose Prussian Blue, which is pretty dark color, so I used a lot of water and gently touch of the brush. So I left the darkest blue tone in the center of the eye and gently washed out the edges. For the skin tone, I used really light wash. I mixed yellow ochre, burnt sienna with plenty amount of water. It can be really tricky to paint a skin tone, especially the shadows, but the lips for me are definitely challenging. When I'm trying to create a male face, I always worry not to put too much red color on them. So most of the time my male characters turn out to be really pale. I chose the black-haired version of Howl at the end of the movie. Some of you who have seen it would understand what I mean. I was doubtful at the beginning, but finally decided to choose the darker color. I wonder if most of the fans of this character like him with blonde or black hair, or probably the ginger one. I don't know. For the hair, I started with really light wash of the black and then gently started to add more color. For the highlights of the hair, I used some white ink pen. There is something so peaceful and relaxing in Studio Ghibli movies. As that movie is based on a book, I read it too, to see a lot of differences, but I like it so far. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to watch another Ghibli movie. See you next time. Bye!